What's up? Bartender!
Hi guys, I'm Arleo and welcome to the Kitchen Drink, where we're raiding your fridges and making some delicious crafty cocktails. This is Alexandra.
Hello!
Alexandra used to bartend at a place that I drank at quite frequently. As you can see, she's got a cute little vintage stove top back here. It's a nice little place to hang out. So why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself and what you like to drink?
So I am from Florida, born and raised. We met out here in California at a bar that he would frequently visit. And
A little too often.
A little too often. I loved what you drank. It was gin, soda.
Yeah, gin, triple sec, soda, and grapefruit.
Oh, and grapefruit,
Yeah.
that's what it was.
Yeah.
Every single time. I am a tequila girl, 110% tequila. Although I don't have any tequila today.
Well, that's odd for being a tequila girl.
I don't really drink too much, but I love to make cocktails. I love to serve them. I'm so excited to help him out by giving him a household to raid.
We've got plenty to play with in this fridge, starting with these somewhat fresh limes and brown sugar as the base, a little bit of apple cider vinegar to add to the acidity, and to add some savory, vegetal, and spicy flavors, we're going to use this unopened Sriracha-Carrot hummus. This brown bag next to the cute little oven that has a fun little secret. To start, we're going to make a quick, simple syrup with water and the brown sugar. Then take a long time to juice these limes because they are a little bit old. Lesson learned. Never gonna forget no juicer ever again. The sriracha and carrots were focused in the center of this hummus, so I got a small spoonful of the middle to get as much flavor from this hummus as possible, and topped it all off with gin. I hadn't decided how I was going to serve this drink until I got the vessel, which was this nice mini stein. And I'd seen that there were carrots in the fridge, so I wanted to use those as a garnish. Ended up with these chopsticks, which just kind of look amazing, so I'm actually really happy with that. Let's see what Alexandra thinks.
Wow, look at this. This is amazing.
Yeah. You might like it, maybe.
Okay.
I liked it, but I know I don't, everybody has different taste buds. What do you think's in there?
It looks like miso soup,
Oh.
almost. There's a little chopstick too,
Oh.
so
Huh.
I'm trying to think of what we have in our fridge. And
Left those as a clue. Left those as a clue.
Okay, so there's carrots. Okay, so limes, vegetables. I know you found our alcohol, so
I
there's
did.
Tanqueray gin in here.
Right.
I'm prepared for this.
Please be.
Okay, okay. I'm pleasantly surprised.
Yeah, that is the face of, huh.
I taste sriracha. Like it tastes like black pepper or even white pepper.
Do you taste the carrot in there at all?
Mm-mm.
Well, you ready to see what's in there?
Yes, I'm ready to see.
Cool. Yes, limes, right off the bat. Somewhat fresh limes to play with.
Wow.
I'm not surprised you got this right because it is the only bottle of liquor in your house right now. It was a little bit more acidic because I had some apple cider vinegar. You had this little guy hanging in the fridge. I had a little bit of difficulty getting that.
I should research, should brown sugar go in the fridge?
I think the answer is no. This was the garnish. Carrots on a chopstick, but I didn't put carrot in it myself. Sriracha-Carrot hummus. I forgot which way
I
it was.
knew I tasted sriracha!
You did!
I knew it!
I don't actually know what hummus typically tastes like. Did this taste like what hummus usually does?
Mm-mm.
Huh.
I tasted the peppers.
Yeah, you did. You did. You differentiated between black and white pepper. I can't actually do that myself.
You know how you can go and get juices and things like
Yeah,
that?
yeah, like wheatgrass and lemongrass.
Yeah, that's kind of what it tastes like, is a wellness shot.
Oh, cool.
Try this at home.
Yeah, good luck. Alright guys, so that's Alexandra's Kitchen Drink, where we put in everything
But the kitchen sink.
Remember to drink responsibly. Bye!
Bye!
Cheers.
Chin chin!
Yeah. Or do you happen to have like some kind of toothpick?
We have like chopsticks?
That'd be kind of funny.
We might have, yeah, that would be pretty funny.